3D printing is everywhere now. I mean, you can't turn on the television and change but a few channels to see it some form or other.
Well, anything's possible. 24 years of doing this and where we were to where we are today is already fascinating.
It's evolved into parts that are actually used for manufacturing, production level parts, going towards implantables in the human body.
Things don't take weeks to get a prototype out anymore. They can take days or even just a couple hours.
You can come to us with a design and see your ideas realized from one day to the next, and that's amazing.
There's an abundance of 3D companies that have come out on the market. Where Dinsmore shines is our product knowledge and our experience.
Anybody can build parts, anybody can buy a machine. But at the end of the day, it's all about the customer service that we offer to our customer.
We pride ourselves in actually being on board, being on your team. That's where we kind of stand above the rest. All facets of our company team up to ensure success in every project that we work on.
The Dinsmore onboarding experience is fairly straightforward. We're going to ask a lot of questions to make sure that we put our client in the right technology and the right material.
There's no project that's too small, there's no project that's too large. We have SLA, we have FDM, we have PolyJet, where we can actually print both soft and a rigid material all in one shot. We have the new Carbon 3D machine, which is clip technology.
And it prints in very high detail. It also has other production resins where it's good to go. Once it's out of the machine, you can use it for whatever it is you need to use it for.
We have been directly involved with things that have gone up into the sky and into space.
Consumer products, automotive, medical, you name it, we've probably made a part for it. The collaboration is really, really critical, and we have to be doing our job and asking all those critical questions and finding out truly what the customer's needs are.
We want to make sure that they're involved in every process to make sure that they're happy with what they get.
We take everybody's project as if it was our own. So our goal is to get their project in its completed stage as quick as possible without sacrificing quality.
Everything is done in-house. You can go from design to prototyping to production all in one place.
We're printing parts same day, and we bend over backwards to make sure that we get that done in a timely manner.
Everything that we do here at Dinsmore is all about compressing the product development cycle for our customers so they can get to market.
So the future of rapid manufacturing is constant evolution, machines that are more precise, materials that are much stronger. The whole product development cycle gets faster and faster and faster.
We're pushing the envelope of what's possible with 3D printing here at Dinsmore by using multiple different materials and technology.
Everybody here is under that same mentality of wanting to be the best and making sure that we're a step ahead.
Our clients demand top-notch service, and they want a quality product. They want it right now for a fair price, and that's what we deliver at Dinsmore.